guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Ginger Red Coffin unboxing video for you guys. Coffin did not send me this. I did pay for this subscription box with my very own money. What I got in this box, then keep on watching. So I did open it, like always. Sneak peek. That's all it was. It was just a sneak peek. Thank you for your support. In the inside, it always has cards. It says Ginger Red Coffin. It has all of the goodies in the inside of the box. They're pretty. I love black roses. It has this little poem at the back, which I never read, of what's inside the box. First thing in the box that I see is this cute little spider little bag. It's like velvety. It's really cute. Really pretty spider necklace. Has like a creepy little spider on it, but it's really, really cool. This is really cute. It has like a little bit of like a black ribbon on with the like black necklace part. Come on. Come on. Oh. And it just sits like that. That's really cute. I really like that. These two things in the bag. Next is this. This is really cute. This is a like cell phone chain thing that dangles on the phone. But that's just what it looks like. Oh, the cute little bat. How adorable. Fucking cute. So we got that. Next is a enamel pin. It says, "Oh my goth." This is really cute. Has like little like black roses. And it says, "Oh my goth." I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm just blind. But yeah, that is the pin, which is awesome because I do collect pins, so that's really cute. Next is a little bat sticker. It says, "Oh my goth" on it. That's really cute. We have a stone. It says Ginger Red Coffin. Comes in this really cute little laced bag. The stone is really, really cool. I haven't got one like this from them yet. It's called the Zebra Jasper. It's really cool. Like, look how cool this is. It's like zebra print all over the stone. What it does, if you guys want to pause it, you can. Is a little blow pop. How cute is this? This reminds me of like my childhood. I think it's in black cherry. I'm stoked to suck on this later. Next is a Ginger Red Coffin nail kit. Cool. Includes press-on nails, nail glue, cuticle pusher, and an energy board. So that's really cute. Little cuticle stick. Push back your cuticles and then pick at your nails. Nail glue. That's really cute. A nail file. There is a few press-on nails in here. A couple press-on nails. Like little snakes. There's like little snakes on these ones. Parts of the snake. The very last ones are just these ones. So, cute little nail kits they got. It's really, really cute. I don't really wear like press-on nails, but I mean, for fun, I wouldn't mind pressing some on. So, there's two more things. Mess with these too much because, you know, I find them like days later. And there's a 3D bat wall stickers. So cute. What am I gonna do with these though? Super cute though. Erp. Ooh. They're really cute. Just like a bunch of them all in here. Got like a bunch of Batmans everywhere. Oh, these ones are cool. These ones are like bigger. Cool. Cute little moon on it. A room spray. That smells really, really good. Is everything that I got in the box. That is what I got in my gingerbread coffin. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.